gonna tell you. Should be here right now, but. There we go. Nice. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna. Guess what? Alright, all done.